Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video is an end of winter garden tour. Let's get to it. So we start off over here by the cabbage tree. So this is a cabbage tree, and in winter it's been growing now nicely. And there's new leaves coming out. So in this box I got garlic chives, wild garlic, some flowers, and that's about it in here. I just want to plant some more flowers when I have. And then over here I got 4 jalapeno trees. Then at the bottom here got another plant, and then I just have here another 3 pots. I just throw sometimes the scrap in here to make compost. Over here spec boom, got a yakma and a few succulents. And then in this box we have kale. I'm gonna plant some Brussels sprouts in here. I have parsley here. This parsley doesn't stay in this bucket, but I have more parsley what I might plant in here in this area. And then let's take a spoon. And then over here is beetroot. Next to it is a runner bush bean. And all those marks is not from any pest but my cat. So every time eats the bean leaves and the corn leaves. And over here is the turnips. It's not looking the best, I know, but aphids just took over here. The aphids took over. But I'm going to show you now. I did harvest about 3 out of here so far. Over here is the eggplant, the brinjal. Over here is machora and oregano. I don't know if I pronounced any of that right, but yeah. And here's some of the water. There's more wild garlic or garlic chives. And over here we have I have quite a few leeks growing around. I planted all around here. This is red cabbage. There's one. Then this is a spinach, and this is the normal green cabbage. Then all around here is just tomatoes popping up because they were all in the compost what I added here, but it's fine. I'll just take them all out and replant them again. Down here, Swiss chard, or some people call it also spinach in South Africa, all growing here. Then some more red cabbage, and those two in the previous video I planted the cucumbers. This is where the watermelons were. Now I wrote that so I know which one is which. And then there is more cabbage here and here. And this one is a cauliflower. Down here I have some more jalapenos. And I'm not sure what is this. Is it a plum or peach? I'm not sure, but this was the seed where it came out from. I replanted it over here. Next to that is the habanero orange chili tree. Okay, so my niece is gonna explain what this is.
Hello guys, this is the carrots. This is the sage. This is the peas.
Okay guys, so she's gonna harvest this pea now. So she's gonna open other peas for you guys to show you. Oh, there's the peas. Let's taste one.
And I'm gonna taste this, and it's really delicious. You can try it at home.
And between the carrots, I got sage over there, and another one behind here. As he said, he showed you the peas. And right behind, this is one of my Tanya. So it's going to seed soon. Then next to it, the onions. The onions just grew nice and big, but there's no bulbs yet. But it is getting there soon. Then down here by the carrots, we got some rosemary. Then next to it is wild rosemary. Next to that rosemary is some beetroot. Then some onions. This is cut-offs from other onions. I just planted here and it's growing nicely. Then next to the beetroot is some more carrots. I'm gonna leave those carrots in here. I want actually one or two to go to seed. I don't have any seeds of those ones. And down here is a marigold. This is from the previous video, the sweet rocket, wild rocket. Then some flowers. There is a bud coming out of this one. I had to trim it down because it was dying. Then we got some fennel here. This is mostly for my budgies. And it grew the winter. I don't know why this one only made it. Then there's some more leeks in here. Got there, and there another one. And then there's just chili trees over here. And my pink celery. My lemon tree. Behind there, it is thyme. There's this grass from the bird seeds. And there's more tomatoes what germinated. And dead radish there but did not go to seed. And over here is my strawberries. And this is the whole garden, the size of what I'm growing in. It's not really big, but I try my best to grow as much as I can. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.